In this video, I will show you how to fix laptop or PC automatic shutdown problem. First of all, open the search icon and search for control panel. So remember that these steps are applicable both on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Now on this control panel items, you have to select power options and then on the left panel, select choose what the power button does. Then after that, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. And under down this shutdown settings, you have to uncheck mark this turn on forced startup. Then you have to click on Save Changes. Once you have done that, you will see Balance Recommended. Just click on Change Plan Settings. And here, you have to click on this Turn Off Display. You can set to 1 minute. Then after that again, you can click on Save Changes and then you need to close this windows. After that, on the search bar again, you have to click on it and search for sysdm.cpl and press enter on the keyboard. Then the system properties will open where you can see the advanced. Click on it and you will see start off and recovery. Go to settings and then you need to uncheck mark this automatically restart button and click on OK. Once you have done that, you need to restart your PC. Click on start and then press power button and you will see the option of update and restore. You can click on it and update your PC. Once done, your laptop or PC automatic shutdown problem will be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.